Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to make a free website with free hosting and a domain. Creating a website on WordPress is a simple way to establish your online presence, whether for blogging, a portfolio, or a small business. WordPress offers free hosting and domains, making it easy to start building your site without upfront costs. Here's a step-by-step guide to get started. First, open your browser and use the search bar to search for WordPress. It will show you various websites as a search result. Now, visit the first website as shown here. If you do not have an account, click on Get Started at the top. Here, you can claim your space on the web. You can search for domains in the given area. You can also connect a domain that you already own to WordPress. To search for a domain, enter your domain name. After that, click on Search Domains. It will show you various subdomains as your result. You can skip the purchase and see the various plans. To start with free, hit the Start with Free button in the free plan. Then, you will reach your home page. Scroll down, and you can own a domain and build your site here. In the top left corner, you will find the Site Title option. By clicking on it, select the View Site option. You can see the website if you have created a site. Again, click on View Site on the top left side. Here, choose the Dashboard option. You will find various options on the left panel to use them in making a free website with free hosting and a domain. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.